Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pineworld token. Ticker symbol is PWLC. This token just got listed on CoinGecko maybe about a week or two ago, so it's a fairly new listing. It was up yesterday when I was looking at it, and today it's up 69.4%. Doing very well. Token price is sitting at 16.9 cents per token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Pineworld token, ticker symbol PWLC. There is a warning at the top of the page here on CoinGecko. It says the smart contract owner can mint new tokens, so please proceed with caution. Now, when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when the dev can alter the smart contract, mint new tokens, change taxes, do all these things. So it can be super sketchy. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token, because warnings like that are there for a reason. All right, so this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, but it doesn't have PancakeSwap listed for some reason on CoinGecko, but it does have an exchange here where you can get the token. I'm going to check their BSC scan, see if they actually are available on PancakeSwap, see if there's any PancakeSwap transactions. You can always do this type of thing yourself. Just find their BSC scan on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and then you can see, even though there is no PancakeSwap listing on CoinGecko, I checked their BSC scan, and it is available on PancakeSwap. I could see somebody swapped on PancakeSwap 20 hours ago, 12 minutes ago. There was a couple of transactions and a lot more before that. So this token is available on PancakeSwap. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Pineworld token using the contract address that you could find on their BSC scan, CoinGecko webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. According to their BSC scan, they have a total supply of 50 million tokens. Right now they have 1,674 holders, 8,531 transfers, 8 decimal places, and they have their webpage listed on here, pineworlddefy.io, contact email, Medium articles, Twitter, LinkedIn, full white paper, and then a link to CoinGecko on their BSC scan. So like I said, this is also available on a central exchange called Vindax, V-I-N-D-A-X. So you would download Vindax from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PWLC, and then simply just buy the token. So that's two different ways you can get the token. They also have an Instagram linked on their CoinGecko page as well. So Pineworld Coin is leveraging many years of successful experience of professionals in various industries to facilitate a distributed technology platform that provides curated and quality optimized networking systems for every professional across the world. The Pineworld Coin platform will uniquely combine artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, allowing for matching individual requirements with professional services, with Pineworld Coin eliminating all of the points of friction that exist in today's professional networking ecosystem. The Pineworld Coin is used within the Pineworld Coin platform and will power a real-time service to maximize consumers for thousands of international service providers, tokenized payments to international OTT apps like Netflix, Amazon, Sony Live, etc., that will eliminate cross-border foreign exchange arbitrage, reducing fraud risk, and the seamless integration of gaming platform providers. It says smart tokens based on multiple smart chain solutions will be undisputed next generation to the World Wide Web. Why? Because this technology is going to touch all of our lives in the near future, individually and business-wise. Think about it. All currencies at the moment are backed by government, but there are currency modules which are truly decentralized. And it goes over Binance Smart Chain, what that is, but we don't need to go over that. So it says, with further capitalization on the Binance Smart Chain, the need for smart contracts and smart tokens has risen in multiple service sectors. The Pineworld coin is being launched to align itself with the growing market of users in the digital coin and token space. Pineworld coin will target gaming, UI, and utility industries to make smart contracts and smart agreements running on multiple smart chain ecosystems. So the Pineworld coin will be built on the Binance Smart Chain because it's extremely cost effective and there's no intermediaries. So it says the goals of the Pineworld coin is to saturate over 50 million limited supply, to increase demand, extend global reach, connect with a diverse range of channel partners, steady returns of investment, so ROI for stakeholders, share prosperity and help flourish in the crypto community, share profits earned by the OTT app and international payment systems and gateways. So it says, is Pineworld safe? Well, first of all, there is that warning on CoinGecko that says they can mint new tokens. So in my opinion, no, not fully safe. When there's warnings, they're there for a reason. So keep that in mind for sure. And yeah, so there's going to be staking rewards. You can get involved with that, it says. And it says you will get 20%. They're going to distribute 20% of the revenue from the OTT apps, gaming portals, and NFT marketplace that they're going to have in the future. And let's see, let's scroll down here. Lots of info on their white paper if you want to check it out. It does seem like it is translated the way it reads. It seems like it's from a different country here. Pineworld coin roadmap, starting with creation, community building, listing on Vindax, then more exchanges in the future, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and live coin watch listings, gaming portal launch, own wallet and mining launch, OTT platform launch, own exchange launch, and then NFTs, metaverse, and blockchain. So the distribution for this coin, it says 59% mining, 30% payout, dividend end rewards, 3% development fund, and 8% goes to 40 lakh ICO. That's a very strange tokenomic allocation pie chart there. And yeah, everything else we already went over, it seems here, but you could read more about fine details on their white paper, which you could find on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.